What's going on, my people? Biker Dave here. If you've been following our channel, we recently got a pretty awesome Hummer H3 Alpha. And that is the one with the little 5.3 V8. And so far, very pleased with it. Man, that thing runs really good. This was a one-owner truck. We bought it basically unseen aside from photos, all the way from Dallas, Texas. There she is. Came from Dallas, Texas. And like I said, one owner, never wrecked. 150,000 miles for a 2008, not bad at all. Tons of maintenance records. Just a good, solid vehicle. And I had never even looked at a Hummer before, other than in photos. And I said, wow, these things look pretty good, May want to get into one. And, for the price, you can get these for anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000, maybe $18,000, depending on the options or the mileage and blah, blah, blah. So, they're not all that expensive, and really, really pleased with it so far. Anyway, you know us, though. We're always going to fool with something that we get, no matter what kind of vehicle it is. And we got the Diablo Sport Trinity T2. It's a little performance tuner. Let me see if I have a... See if I have a sheet on it right here. There you go. Some of you guys have probably used these sort of things before. I have never. I've only heard of them. And some people swear by them. They say, "Wow, it's the easiest performance update you can do, especially if you already have an exhaust and maybe some other basic bolt-on modifications." These things can really bring some performance out of your car, truck, or SUV, or whatever you got. So, by golly, I found a nicely priced one online. And after doing several days of research and whatnot, trying to decide on which one and all that. And this was the one we settled on. Who knows if it's the best or the, whatever. It's just the one we decided on, mainly because of viewer reviews, and user reviews of these things. A lot of people really like this thing. And it can do a lot of stuff, man. It can do a whole lot of stuff. Anyway, if you have one of these or you're considering it, I recommend it. It can definitely get you some additional performance as well as possible fuel mileage. Now, we haven't used it long enough to determine if fuel mileage is going to be a benefit, but as far as performance, it definitely can do some things for you. Anyway, that's not the point of this. The point of this is the abbreviations in the app, when you're using this device. It can tell you all kinds of things that are going on with your vehicle while you're driving it, or after you've done some recording of its performance and whatnot. Now, some of this stuff is pretty obvious, of course, but there are other things that might not be obvious as far as these abbreviations and what they stand for. So, this is found in a couple of spots on the internet, but I didn't see a whole lot on it. So I'm putting this online, and why don't we zoom her in a little bit? I'm putting this up here. So if you have one, you can quickly refer to this, and it'll make sense to you as far as what these abbreviations mean. And when you're looking at the screen of the device, which is really impressive, like if you're looking on up here, it'll have all these abbreviations to little things depending on which particular screen you're looking at. And some of it you may look at it and go, okay, what does those letters really mean? I'm not sure. Like I said, though, some of them are obvious where others maybe not. So anyway, that's why we're doing this. And so check out our other videos. We're doing some fix-ups and basic things, and anything when you get a used car. There's stuff I always like to go through just to make sure everything is working properly. Every light is working properly. Every switch is working properly. And of course, you got to put an exhaust system on it. And we had the shop that we bought this car from, do a full tune-up and full fluid flush, and just all sorts of basic stuff that I like to make sure is done whenever I buy a used vehicle. And so yeah, it's running really good. So make sure you look at our other videos on it. And you very well might like some things on our channel. Let's go to our main screen here. Got some, got some Supercross stuff since it's Supercross season finally, and we've got videos relating to that. Now, we're unable to post actual race videos because, as you all may know, Supercross is kind of difficult to post race videos. There's Zach Osborne going down. It's a little difficult and risky, so we may not do that. But we're about to do a radio broadcast of Supercross races. So, we've been real busy lately. We haven't been able to get that going just yet. But that is definitely coming soon. So make sure you search through our channel, Horsepower House, and Google us as well. We are all over the internet. We have a eBay store, Amazon store, Facebook page with all kinds of cool stuff. Some of it relating to motorcycles and dirt bikes and whatnot, but sometimes relating to all kinds of fun stuff. Not just motorcycles. Anyway, so that's it. We hope you all have a good day. And once again, here's the list. Let's zoom it back a little bit. There we go. All right, so save this video, and anytime you are curious about a certain abbreviation shown on that tuner, there's your list. And that is it for now. Y'all have a good day, and we shall see y'all later. Biker Dave signing off.